PDS Multibeam is part of the Teledyne PDS software suite and supports data acquisition, data cleaning, modeling, and charting of your data. PDS is built to optimize your workflow from planning to end product delivery. In addition to handling multi-beam and laser data, PDS is a powerful tool for construction and dredging operations. Many available applications can be merged to one large enhanced package, like a combined cable lay and multi-beam survey, or placing templates for wind turbines in deeper water. PDS also supports real-time monitoring of stone or block installations, where survey data and design data are shown in real time for optimal operation. Teledyne PDS includes a very flexible interface to allow various sensors combinations, as well as many data output options. As PDS Multibeam is part of the Teledyne PDS software suite, it's easy to upgrade with extra features when you have special project demands. All applications in the Teledyne PDS software suite have the same interface structure and workflows. This makes it easy for the operator to familiarize himself using different applications. Create the screen layout you need to run your survey and collect your data as efficiently and precisely as you require it. The acquisition module offers a variety of views you can add. You can connect multiple monitors to the PDS computer and define the individual layouts for each of them. All needed tools such as logging settings, guidance, and filters is available for an intuitive workflow. The View Layer system quickly lets you add additional data layers like background charts. Edit your DTM using the Grid Model Editor. Prepare your guidance from the modern guidance editor. This can be done both manually or graphically. Create data deliveries using the PDS Plot module, or process your data using the Processing module. Besides from manually cleaning or using automated filters, Teledyne PDS also provides a multi-beam data set quick clean feature to speed up the workflow even more. If you have a hydrographic project, Teledyne PDS is probably the tool you need. But don't take our word for it. You can download PDS and test it for free, or contact us directly to discuss your needs.
Teledyne Marine. Everywhere you look.